Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Sheena. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Oh, wagwan, how to do, how things, how life. Bless up to each and every one. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. All right, so let's get down into it now. Yes, my love. So, all right. Honestly, everything we are going out here, you know, from the prophetess come out here and say she have prophecy for Lady D. Yes, she come out. She talk up her things, the man. She say what she say. It reached the Lady D come out and address it. She also rejected the prophecy. Now, because of that, a whole heap of stir up, and bangarang, a go on, because some people are say, well, some in agreement with Lady D. While you have some say, Lady D disrespectful, Lady D never for go up in the woman bedroom, and Lady D for apologize to the woman. That's the prophetess. All right, but my loves, before me get down in the story, listening to Lady D, you know, very attentive listener when I'm ready, keen listener when I'm ready, yeah. But no, listening to Lady D, there's more to it than we see and hear out here. And that lady's tone of voice, there's more to what she's saying as well. How she come across delivering that prophecy. Yes, so she said, another first she get prophecy for Lady D, and she go tell Lady D about the prophecy, and Lady D cuss her out dog rotten. But there is still more to it than that. Her tone, her body language, her entire demeanor did I give something else. Understand? I don't know if anybody else notice it, but me notice it, all right. Because me personally, if somebody come out on social media, so they might prophesy to me and they might go answer with me. No, come to me with that prophecy there. Me don't want that prophecy there. I never saw God say to deliver it. All right. And listening to Lady D, you know, as me say already, there is more to it than what we seen and hear out here. Lady D basically protects Maddie. She don't want to come out, come say too much figure with that person there. But if you want to listen, there is more to it. All right, now. So, back to what me did I say now. So, after that prophecy that come out now, as me say, whole heap of people rush out. But now, this specific individual, she came out with a lot to say. You understand? She came out, yes, she came out in defense of the prophetess. But then the things that she was saying pertaining to Lady D, to me though, it sounded as if it was, you know, something personal. That me get from her story. She came out with a lot of anger and rage as well. Anyways now. So, you understand this blogger over here? Everybody know that blogger then good for researching him, good for go dig up all kind of something. It's like him got college for it. Yeah, him get PhD for that, my loves. And him go dig up, my love, and him dig and him fine. Lo and behold, him come up with a picture with this individual here. The same one here we are defend the prophetess. And guess who in the picture with her? Guess who in the picture with her? No Curly. Hey, my loves, it was not a recent picture. When people see it now, people are wonder. Hey, then we never see smoke without fire. Because right then and there, so now young woman loves it approves Curly and this individual in a some kind of relationship. No, they in relationship if you not get what me I say. You understand? Them have some form of affiliation. Anyways, you know the picture been a share all about people are commenting and go on with themselves. The individual now that the woman were out here, I defend the prophetess now, young woman love. She see it. And she make a comment. When she make the comment now, she share the picture now to her platform. The share when she share the picture to her platform now, young woman dear children. Smaddy go comment Cynthia under the picture and a bun Curly for Curly now see it and go respond to the woman comments, my love. Anyways, she get up in her feelings so much that she take it to her platform, my loves. She said, she and the woman not in a no farmer entanglements again. She said she no got nothing against the woman. Whatever picture them have out here is years ago. Think they said 9 years ago, something like that so. She says she don't chat to this woman. So me loves when me a listen me, I say, boy, if you like I said, they no agree. Curly says she and the individual used to do charity together, me loves, and organizations, as according to Curly, yes. Them start an organization together. Once me hear that, you know, me loves, Curly never have to go no further relation. She never have to go 1 foot further. Cause right then and there, so me pick up what cause the separation between the two of them. Anyways though, Curly, go on, you understand. Cause remember she said she setting the record straight, you know my loves. So the both of them started the organization together. My loves, Curly says she invests her good money into the charity, her time, her everything, my loves, into the charity. And bam, my loves, so bam, the charity take off. The woman make tighty, educated people come take over the charity, my loves, and kick Curly half of it. Kick Curly half of it, my love. Kick Curly to the curb, poor Curly, my loves. Curly, but I like, sorry for you, Curly, them should do that to you. Curly, them should have never do that to you, my love. I feel it for you, Curly, I feel it, mama. Lady, yo, he's very wicked to do that. If I saw you go for, we can't believe Curly when she talk out here, no, my loves. But too bad we can't believe Curly. You know, so anyways now, my loves, anyways, make her continue now for me feel it for Curly. My loves, and all I feel it for Curly. Everything Curly put her hands and fingers them too. Everything Curly put her hands and her fingers them too, he no work out. Ma? Massy God, man, anyways now, my dear loves. Make we continue on now for Curly say no. That the tighty educated people don't make this a woman, you know, she go all up on TV, my love, she go up on TV, she no bring Curly. She no bring Curly hand in the rest of girls them, but my love, if you never bring the rest of girl them, you should have bring Curly because the two who is the founder. You understand? You should have bring Curly because who is the founder based on where Curly have to say. Curly, a part of me wants to believe you, know Curly, but a part of me don't want to believe you. Because Curly, you lie, you tell you know Curly. Curly, you lie, man. But lady, if the two have who no started the foundation, you alone should go on the TV and you know say Curly love limelight. You know say Curly love the lights. The entire world knows say Curly love spotlight. So if you're going on to the TV, you should have ensure say Curly is pan the TV with you too. Curly has stand with you on this one. I would have begged too. Curly, I would have begged too. Me how you start something together, how you make people come quick me where you want the pan TV. You want the pan TV. So Curly, you're not smarty too. Ma'am, Curly is not smarty too. Bad to bad, man, bad to bad. She's smarty picking it too. You should have make she come on the TV with you. Oh, she are Curly, never mind. One day you go on TV. You hear Curly? One day you go on TV. Hush, man, no mind, no mind, no mind. But my loves, between me and who no know with all our galang now, you know my loves, with all our galang. I know that the part they really born Curly, you know my loves. That is not the part where really born Curly like that. The part where hot Curly now and make Curly catch up in a deep feelings. The picture where the woman post back, one of her supporters, as me did mention in the early part of the video, one of her supporters now go comment under the picture and say, me can tell you exactly what she said, my loves, word for word. This somebody said that I remember those days. That woman is crazy. She tried to take over. It was not what you represented. Then me loves, no, say that the woman will post back. That the same woman we are talking about, we are defend the prophet, you know. So, no, say she respond to that, they comment there, and go say thank you. So right then and there, so now my loves, when we say the thank you is in agreement to what the woman was saying about Curly. Say Curly want to take over the charity. Curly, true, Curly, so you go, Curly, I believe you did want to take you over for yourself, it's true, you know Curly. Curly, I believe that part there. Curly, I believe them. Curly, I believe. So you did want to take you over for true. You know, Curly, I believe them. Curly, we know you, you know. Curly, you not try to take you over. Yes, my love, the woman said thank you in agreement with the lady pertaining to where she said about Curly. So here Curly responds now, my love. Excuse me? And that's right, you know, my love. Excuse me? Who are you talking to? Who are you calling crazy? Trying to take over what? So she answered the woman, you know, and she asked the woman if she knew how much time or money she invested into that charity, my loves. The time she invested and promoted it with her comedy. Hey, yes, well, I don't know a curly comedy. I don't know, say a whole heap of time curly put into that charity. You understand me? Curly, I ask her about the times them when she put the pot on her head. You understand? For entertain people so that she could have contribute to the charity. Curly, you do a lot. You should have never do curly that. Were you trying to take over the people? Them, oh, me forgot. Me don't know how you go here, man. I don't know. I confused me because yeah, say. You and I start the charity together, but in the video when me hear you do all me hear curly I talk about I. Then how to one of it start the curly you keep on and say I. I don't hear you say no we. Me can't bother ya man. Me can't bother. I can't bother. Curly, me not bother take up for you. Me not bother take up for you, curly. Me not bother sorry for you, yeah man. Cause me don't know how the root of this go. I don't know how the root of it go. So I not bother sorry for you. I not bother take up for you, curly. Yes, my dear children, now and curly continue. And now, me love fi answer the woman. Tell the woman all about her husband. Tell the woman me loves all about her husband. Curly, no wonder the people then did kick you where you know because here you come out here and say now, you used to cuss up bad word and all kind of sin thing. Then take the charity now and turn it in a Christian charity. So how long time you don't got snow manners, curly? And not just now a long time you don't got snow manners. Yes, yes, beloved curly said them take it and turn it in a decency charity. So she said them take it and turn it to decency charity, my love, because she used to cuss up too much bad word. Yes, it turned Christian charity. So the educated aristocracies people, them as Dana call the word aristocracies. The educated IT-tighty aristocracies people, them now fling curly a fight. Curly, you don't belong here. Curly over here is not for you. You're no longer good enough for you, so curly. So you could have been founder, have hit until now. Your character no fitting over here, so. My loves listening to Curly hard work where she put out, my loves, where she and her cousin have to walk up and down pan Kingston Road and I put out flyers and then they pan radio. And doing all the dirty work. That's what she said, my loves. I know me say dirty work. And Curly says she do all the dirty work, my loves. So it look like Curly do all the hardest part of it. All the hardest part of the promotion, my love. And then this take Curly and fling her away just like that. He fling her away just like that. The hard work them where Curly and her cousin do was not appreciated. So poor Curly now, my loves. Curly, I understand how you feel, you know. Curly, I understand how you feel. Kind of your cousin, I could have hear the hurt in your voice. I hear it, curly. I hear the hurt in your voice. Oh my. Them take it away clean, my loves. It's like I say, curly never existed. That hot, you know. It hot, man. And curly, you still not learn because obviously, you never have no behavior. Make you never get no chance to go up on the TV, curly. How you fear do such a thing, curly? In startup organization still a cuss up your bad word, the man a go on so curly. Ima? You should have be professional, curly. If you did be nice and be professional, you'd end up go on TV too. Yes, my love. So curly come out, come clear her name, my dear children. That picture, she said, is a long time ago, 9 years ago when she used to do charity. 9 years ago, and she and this individual is no longer affiliated. Them no communicate, them no nothing. You understand? Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And if you have reached this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch that like button. Show a girl some love. Show a girl some support. Peace out. Much love. See you later. Bye-bye.